Hello students, I am Ekta. Have you ever wondered how much material you need to build a fence around your garden or to wrap a gift perfectly? That's where the concept of perimeter comes in. Perimeter is simply the total distance around a shape. For instance, if you're planning to lay out a new carpet, knowing the perimeter of the room helps you buy the right amount. Similarly, when decorating or measuring spaces, understanding the perimeter ensures everything fits just right. Today, in this video, we will learn how to calculate the perimeter of different shapes and see how this knowledge can be practically applied in everyday tasks. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to understand what is perimeter, calculate the perimeter of irregular polygons and regular polygons, derive perimeter formula for rectangle, square and other regular polygons. Keywords from this lesson: simple closed curve, boundary, regular polygons, perimeter, rectangle, square, equilateral triangle. Let's see some geometrical figures. Closed curve. A curve having the same beginning and ending point is called a closed curve. Simple curve. A curve is a simple curve if it doesn't cross itself. Simple closed curve. A curve having the same beginning and ending point and which doesn't cross itself is called a simple closed curve. A simple closed curve divides the surface into two different regions. Interior region. It refers to the region of the surface that is inside or bound by the curve. Exterior region. It refers to the region of the surface that lies outside the curve. The curve itself is called the boundary of the interior region. The length of the boundary of a closed figure is known as its perimeter. Note: the interior region or space inside the boundary is referred as area. In this video, we will be focusing on perimeter. Perimeter. It is the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure when you go around the figure once. Simply, by adding all the sides, we can get the perimeter. Let us see some examples. Find the perimeter of the following figures. Solution. Total distance around the shape is equal to perimeter of the shape. Now, we need to add the all sides to get the perimeter. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HA. Is equal to 6 cm plus 6 cm plus 20 cm plus 4 cm plus 10 cm plus 10 cm plus 4 cm plus 20 cm. Is equal to 80 cm. Total distance around the shape is equal to perimeter of the shape. Now we need to add all the sides to get the perimeter. AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG is equal to 5 inches plus 7 inches plus 3 inches plus 7 inches plus 5 inches plus 10 inches. By adding, we get is equal to 37 inches. Now, we will find out the perimeter of a rectangle. We know that the perimeter refers to the sum of all the sides of a rectangle. So, consider a rectangle ABCD as shown in figure. Let L and B denotes the length and breadth of rectangle respectively. According to definition, we need to add all sides of the rectangle to get perimeter. Now, perimeter is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. That is, P is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth is equal to 2 length plus 2 breadth. By taking 2 common, we get is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. That is, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. Now, let us see one example. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 25 meter and 15 meter respectively. Solution. Given length is equal to 25 meter, breadth is equal to 15 meter. We know perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Now substitute the values in the formula, then we get P is equal to 2 into 25 plus 15. Is equal to 2 into 40. Then we get is equal to 80 meter. Therefore, the perimeter of a given rectangle is equal to 80 meter. Let us see one more example. Find the breadth of the rectangle whose perimeter is 340 cm and whose length is 100 cm. Solution. Given perimeter is equal to 340 cm, length is equal to 100 cm. We need to find the breadth of the rectangle. We know that the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Now substitute the values in the formula, then we get 340 is equal to 2 into 100 plus breadth. 340 by 2 is equal to 100 plus breadth. 170 is equal to 100 plus breadth. B is equal to 170 minus 100. B is equal to 70 centimeter. Therefore, the breadth of the rectangle is equal to 70 centimeter. Now, we will find the perimeters of regular polygons. Geometrical shapes that have all the sides equal and all angles are equal are called regular polygon. Example: square, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon and octagon, etc. Perimeter of a square. We know square consists of 4 equal sides. So, by adding all the 4 sides, we get the perimeter of square. Consider a square with side length as A. Now, perimeter is equal to A plus A plus A plus A is equal to 4A. Therefore, the perimeter of a square is equal to 4A. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle. We know that the equilateral triangle consists of 3 equal sides. So, by adding all the 3 sides, we get the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Consider an equilateral triangle with side length as A. Now, perimeter is equal to A plus A plus A is equal to 3A. Therefore, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 3A. In the similar way, the perimeter of a regular 5-sided polygon, pentagon, is equal to 5 into length of any side. Perimeter of a regular 6-sided polygon, hexagon, is equal to 6 into length of any side. Perimeter of a regular 7-sided polygon, heptagon, is equal to 7 into length of any side. Perimeter of a regular 8-sided polygon, octagon, is equal to 8 into length of any side. The perimeter of a regular n-sided polygon is equal to n into length of any side. Let us see one example. The side length of the regular hexagon, square and equilateral triangle is 8 cm. Find the perimeter. Solution. Given the side of all the polygons is equal to 8 cm. Regular hexagon consists of 6 sides with equal length. So, the perimeter of the regular hexagon is equal to 6 into side length is equal to 6 into 8 is equal to 48 cm. Square consists of 4 sides with equal length. So, the perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side length is equal to 4 into 8 is equal to 32 cm. Equilateral triangle consists of 3 sides with equal length. So, the perimeter of the equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side length is equal to 3 into 8 is equal to 24 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of regular hexagon, square and equilateral triangle is 48 cm, 32 cm and 24 cm respectively. Points to remember. Geometrical shapes that have all the sides equal and all angles are equal are called regular polygon. Example: square, triangle, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon and octagon, etc. A curve having the same beginning and ending point and which doesn't cross itself is called a simple closed curve. The length of the boundary of a closed figure is known as its perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. The perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side length. The perimeter of a regular n-sided polygon is equal to n into length of any side. Thanks for watching.